A very good afternoon, Tim Zimbabwe. Masquerase, welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. So, something very important we need to take a look on here is becoming interesting. How evidence is coming out on who is actually behind the recalls we have been seeing in the nation of Zimbabwe. So, Cde Ostallos is who is the spokesperson or deputy spokesperson of ZANU led by Advocate Nelson Chamisa, said something very important. He says ZANU PF is behind all this. The leopard does not change its spot, leading to the use of MDCT, and was led by President. Now, they intend to use some willing to destroy the authentic alternative ZZC. FAS paid for double candidates nomination form. It enjoys immunity that clearly demonstrates its direct connection with powers that be. In Bulawayo, the choice of targets for recalls betrays the hand behind. That is, Cowdrey Park, Mtuli ZANU PF wants the seat by any means. After losing the Bulawayo 12 case, in Binga, Honorable Tubeko Sibanda defeated FAS president. In Mavuku, Honorable Kofa defeated ZANU Scott. Mukoma George have assumed the spokesperson of the fraudsters. So it's very interesting that Comrade Ostallos here is becoming direct to say George Charamba, who is the spokesperson of Emmerson Mnangagwa, is actually the spokesperson of the fraudsters. So according to Cde Ostallos, he says the major targets here, take a look onto Mavuku. Mavuku, they have key interests there. There is a key right-hand man of President Emmerson Mnangagwa there, Scott Sakupkanya, Cowdrey Park, Mtuli Ngube, then constitution of Honorable Tubeko Sibanda, that is Binga. The first president was defeated there, which means his operations failed in his own area. But let us take a look onto what George Charamba said, which prompted Comrade Ostallos to actually say this. So on 22 August 2023, George Charamba, using a Twitter handle Yakanze Tinoedza Zvimwe, said, "The unraveling begins." He went on to say, met some very high-ranking ZZC politician recently who made it clear they are ready to punish Chamisa soon after ZANU PF has softened him through sound electoral thumping. Asked why the internal challenge hasn't come before the polls, the senior official retorted, to defeat an ego only. We want to take over a party with resources, including MPs in parliament. We are not interested in Chamisa's amorphous supporters. The post-election attack on Chamisa will come from at least 3 fronts. The probity chanting in this clip is just at the beginning. Watch this space. So this is what George Charamba said on 22 August. And on the 23rd of August, we went for the elections. What happened on the 26th, everybody knows. And right now, we've seen these recalls. And each and every day, George Charamba is attacking the ZZC and saying all sorts of things. He is one of the people who clearly admitted that he met some comrades within the ZZC organ. And the question is, when they met, how did they arrange the meeting? Who arranged the meeting? Where did they meet? So you understand that all these things which are happening, they were manufactured from the from the Shaky building, from the ZANU PF building, and being used as some people within the ZZC who are actually ignorant, number one. Number two, jealousy of Nelson Chamisa. Number three, these people have been agents of anti-democracy in the nation of Zimbabwe. During the day, they pretend to be with the people, with the masses, for solidarity and likes, but during the evening, they are organizing and doing whatever they can to deal with Advocate Nelson Chamisa. So if you read on this, the statement which says to defeat an ego only, it boggles my mind to say, so Zimbabweans are fighting for a better country, for a better Zimbabwe, and someone is just fighting to fix Nelson Chamisa. We have seen several people on social media attacking Nelson Chamisa. I will not mince my words on this. I have seen several people, the Trevor Ncubes, the Hopewells, the all sorts of the third ways they've attacked Nelson Chamisa each and every day. Why? It's because they're jealous of him. They envy him. They say he can't lead the nation. So, you know, sometimes if you take a look on the MDC itself, Ichikura MDC, nobody thought kuti Nelson Chamisa one day would be on the top leading in opposition. Nobody thought about that. People were saying, Shangira yakaenda, tisu tichasara tine chimuti because we are senior, number one, number two, we are popular. But Shangira yaenda, Nelson Chamisa is loved by everybody. Everybody, every household is talking about Nelson Chamisa. So the question is, why are they jealous of this young man? It pains me, Team Zimbabwe. Some of us, we are fighting for a free, fair Zimbabwe where you can do business without any hindrance. You can go into that office, process your papers, have your papers, put your papers in order, do your business without being corrupt, without being connected. Those are our aspirations. We need to see our relatives, our friends, our village people being employed, benefiting from projects. We need to see Kotko paying farmers well. We need to see CSC paying farmers well. We need to see GMB paying farmers well. We need to see all these state institutions working for the good of the people. But there's few individuals who are rich already, who have made money, but they are still ignorant. And they still want Triple C to fail. It pains me, Team Zimbabwe. Honestly, it pains me. So, Team Zimbabwe, this is the reason why you see us coming live each and every day. It's because we have a duty to play. We have a lot of misinformation which is happening on social media everywhere, newsrooms everywhere. There is misinformation and disinformation, so as to destroy Nelson Chamisa's picture. So they've tried by all means possible to portray to the world that Nelson Chamisa is weak, Nelson Chamisa can't lead. But that is not true. So you will see that one day you will agree with me when we say there are certain people who betrayed Nelson Chamisa, who connived with the regime to betray Nelson Chamisa on the eve of the announcement of the results. Some I know will say, no, it didn't happen, but that is what happened. So it is what it is, but we continue to fight for a progressive Zimbabwe, for a free Zimbabwe. I know some of us may not make it to a new great Zimbabwe, but for those who will be alive, I wish you